Hey folks, Dave here. I hope everybody's well today. I'm doing good. So it's been a real busy couple of weeks here through Christmas, and I hadn't got much laser time. I'm sure it's been busy for you folks also. But I did want to wrap up 2023 with a short montage of the projects that we've done. We've done 27 this year, actually starting in August. And if you missed any of them, I've put links down in the description so you can go check those out, and they're all step by step with Lightburn, and I think you'll find them really helpful. So I hope you enjoy this, and I really appreciate you watching. Here you go. So here is a closer look at the finished product, but this is a give you a look at the finished project all painted up. But we set out to engrave a greeting card on cardstock. And that's what we've done. So the t-shirt's been washed, and the answer to whether it is a success or a failure is under that board. And here you go. It was a miserable failure. Here's the finished product. Turned out pretty good. Let me get a little closer. Hopefully it don't throw the camera out of focus. I'm going to try to put this on this charcuterie board and move it closer, because if I get up, my camera's going to get out of whack. Okay folks, here's our creation. It turned out pretty good. We got it finished. Just two pieces. One slides on top of the other. I had a couple of folks ask on a previous video if I could start doing a close-up at the end of the project to give you a better view. So here's a close-up. Folks, well here's the finished product. I had to go our finished project. It turned out pretty good. Okay folks, well our boo ride is complete. Okay folks, well there it is, cleaned up. Just a little white vinegar and a soft cloth. It came out right on this one. Our turkey tack toe is complete. Okay, well here is the finished adjusted product. Okay folks, here's our finished product. Okay, well here's our finished product. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay folks, that is a good looking ornament. Well here's our finished product. Turned out pretty good. Let me see if I can get it closer. Here is our final project. It turned out pretty good. There we go. Folks, well here is the finished product. Here's our finished project. Turned out pretty good. Okay, well here's our finished project. Okay folks, well there it is. That is 2023 wrapped up. And I'm looking forward to 2024. I hope you'll come check out the channel. And we'll be doing many, many more projects. So you folks take care. And I wish you and your family a very happy new year. Thank you.